Recently, European customers purchased a number of LED screens produced by our EagerLED company, covering the needs of different types and application scenarios. As a professional LED display manufacturer, EagerLED is committed to providing high-quality, innovative and flexible LED display solutions to global customers. We have a rich product line, including indoor and outdoor LED screens, transparent LED screens, rental LED screens, and customized LED screens, which are widely used in commercial displays, advertising, stage performances, exhibitions, sports events, and other fields. Our LED screens use the latest technology and high-quality materials to ensure that each product has excellent display effects and long-term stability. EagerLED always pays attention to product quality and technological innovation, continuously optimizes production processes, ensures that each product is strictly tested, meets international standards, and provides long-term after-sales guarantee. We are very honored to establish a cooperative relationship with European customers, and look forward to working together in more projects in the future to provide customers with more and better LED display solutions.